What's up, everybody? Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to do text join and concat. Both of these functions are pretty awesome. Basically, you have a line of text or you have different cells that you want to put together, and you don't want to have to necessarily copy this. Say you have Indiana Jones here, and you want to make it, say, instead of this, the format you got the data in, you need to reformat it. But you're not going to go in here and go Jones, Henry, Indiana. I mean, you're not going to do that for 300 cells or 10,000 in a worksheet. That's just a waste of your time. So we're going to let Excel do the heavy lifting. We just go equals, concat, tab. We pick the first one we want, so Jones, comma. Now we're going to need a space, so all we do is just write it in there as text. You do quotation marks, space, quotation marks, comma, and then we want his first name, and then we go, I would have clicked right on the cell instead of doing the up arrow, except this formula is running right into it. So then we go comma and do the exact same thing. Quotation marks, space, quotation marks, comma, Indiana, close the parentheses, enter, voila. If you want to add a comma in there, that's no problem. All you do is you click on this formula, you go right between your quotes, comma, comma, and there you go. So that's concat. And if you had something else here, like let's see, David Roth Lee, because we're Van Halen fans, not Van Hagar. Boom, Roth David Lee, and there it is. So if you had 100, all you'd have to do is something just like this. You click there, click on the little square, and bang, you can drag it down, you can flash fill it, however you want to do it. And if you need this to change or be a permanent one, you can just Control-C, copy, right-click it, paste options, 1, 2, 3, paste values, and guess what? You can go right in here and just add whatever you want. Now with this, that's why you have to paste the values, because if you do this, it's going to break the formula. So all you do is paste it as values. Text join does the same thing. It really just comes down to how you want to use it. So equals text join delimiter. So what do we want to go in between the words? We want to do the comma and the space just like we did before. So all we do, exact same thing, quotation marks, comma, space, quotation marks. Now we do another comma to finish the argument. Are we going to ignore empty cells? Yes. So if there's one that's missing, no problem. All we'll do is it just won't fill anything in the blank there. So we go true, comma, text 1. What's the first one? It's going to be the same way, Jones. And we can just click here, comma, Henry, comma, Indiana. Close it up, bang. And you go here, and there it is. The cool thing about text join, though, where you can ignore the blanks, because normally if you had it set to false where it didn't ignore blanks, it would still add that comma when there was nothing there. So here, if we get rid of the middle name, what do you know? Automatically updates, it's fixed, no problems, because computers only do what we tell them to do. That's it for this one. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button and share it with whoever. See you next time.